Thank you, Martin. So our next speaker is a wonderful lady. She is a lawyer by profession with a license to actually work in New York and South Africa. She's a businesswoman, she's an entrepreneur who is very passionate about serving other entrepreneurs and also helping entrepreneurs gain access to additional income. We all love money, right? Okay, so HealthGarde, that's her company. She is the co-founder of HealthGarde. She started the business with her mother, of which they are based in Nigeria. They've got a whole building in Nigeria, in Lagos, and they are also based in South Africa, Uganda, and Ghana. Her name is Lovelyn Bassey. She is a Nigerian living in South Africa, so she's half South African, half Nigerian. But the beauty of Lovelyn and HealthGarde is that they target communities like ours and help people within communities to gain access to additional income. So when you have a time, 5 minutes of your time, make sure you go to the HealthGarde stand, make sure you speak to Lovelyn and get to understand, even if you're working a full-time job, there is a way where you can gain additional income on the side through HealthGarde. So ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome the COO of HealthGarde, Lovelyn Bassey.
Good morning, everybody. Hello. I always make everybody say hi everywhere I go because hi at HealthGarde for us, hi means HealthGarde International. So every time you say hi, you're actually calling the name of my company. You see, Teho asked who likes money. And I heard some people just go, me. So I'm going to ask that question again. Who likes money? Okay. You see, people are generally, they are not sure how to answer that question. Because on one hand, they feel if I say I like money, I'm being proud. On the other hand, if you're a Christian, they're thinking, yo, God is going to punish me now because I said I like money. But that is not actually true. You see, liking money means that you want it because you know what it can do for you. If you don't like money, then you are not ready to pay your bills. How do you pay your electricity bill? With money. How do you feed yourself? With money. So whether you like it or not, you actually like money because of what it can do for you. Am I correct? So everybody here, I believe we all came here for different reasons. Either because our friend told us, I'm going somewhere. Look, black people, if someone tells you I'm going somewhere, there's going to be food. It's a party. You know how we do it. We're like, I'm not sure I have anything to do today. Maybe I might go along and just check it out. And someone might have told you there's a business opportunity somewhere. And then you said, I want to go along with it. And I'm going with you. But whatever the reason it is you came here today, I want you to know that you are in the right place at the right time. And I want you to look at the person next to you. Just take a look at the person sitting next to you. And I want you to look at the person sitting on the other side of you. Now, if you know the person sitting next to you on both sides, I want you to turn around and look at another person. What you have just done is you have just recognized the people sitting around you. And that is how you build a network. The first thing to building a network is recognizing the people around you every single place you go. The next step is talking to the people around you every single place you go. Because the people you meet are the people you make money from or you make money with. Are you still with me at the back there? And look, you don't make money from the air. You don't make money randomly. Money does not fall from heaven. You are intentional about making money. You decide, I want to make money and I'm going to do something about it. And the first step is looking at another person and talking to another person. That is the first step of making money. If you sit in your house and watch TV all day, Excuse me, no money for you. And you see, there's one thing, they talk about young people in Africa as a whole, young people in South Africa. They say so many things about young people. Either young people don't want to work, or young people don't want to make money. They want it given to them. Young people are entitled. Young people, they just think everything can be given to them. Now, the question you need to ask yourself is, what kind of young person are you? Are you the type that will go out and get the money? Or are you the type that will prove what they are saying true? Thank you. You go out and make the money. Because whatever you do today is what paves the way for you tomorrow. If you sit down and watch TV today, morning till night, you know all the soapies on TV, bless your heart. You know all the celebrities, bless your heart. How does that give you money again? How does that pay your bills again? It doesn't. So you need to build a network. You need to go out there. You need to speak to people. You need to put yourself out there to make money. Now, we had some people who came forward, and they had to ask that question about 3 times before people stepped forward, before they took that leap of faith to step forward that they're going to pitch their business to people they don't know out of the blue. That is networking. That is stepping out of your comfort zone. That is how you make money. Because guess what? Every single person that was standing there, I heard what they do, and it made an impression in my mind. I have already noted which ones have Facebook accounts, which ones have Instagram accounts, which one I'm going to do business with, which one I'm not going to do business with. I made a decision right where they were standing there. And that's the thing about networking. The beauty about it is that when you see people, when you speak to people, in that instant, they make a decision whether they will do business with you or not. So how you sell yourself is very, very important. So, you're probably wondering, what is HealthGarde about? And why am I talking about networking? Before I tell you what HealthGarde is about, I want to ask you, how many of you work for somebody else here? You work for someone else. You've got a job with somebody else. You work for another company. Great. How many of you work for yourself? Okay. That's wonderful. Why I ask that question is this. Because no matter what you do, whether you're working for yourself or you're working for somebody, you are actually networking at all times. So, if I am working in a call center for, let's say, ABSA, for example, and somebody calls through ABSA, when I speak to them, what am I doing? I'm networking on behalf of ABSA, right? I'm trying to treat that customer with respect to make sure they're either a return customer or they become a new customer. So we are all born networkers. And that brings me to what my company is about. You know, I started a business with my mom, but it was a business that was 18 years in the making. The business did not start today. It didn't even start in 2020 when we actually launched the company officially. The seed for this business was sown in 2001. I was still a very, very young teenager then. I was actually in high school. But we started it then, and we built it up. We created networks to grow our business. Why? Because our business is also primarily a network marketing business. Okay. So HealthGarde, my company is about meeting people, talking to people, selling to people. And I heard one of the people that pitched, it's in Nuka, I think. Yes. I remember your face, and I remember your black shirt, and I remember where the name was printed on the shirt. You said something that your business gives 15% discount, right? You make a 15% profit. And I smiled when you said that, because every person that pitches a business to me, I compare my business to that person's business. Because I try to see the similarities, and if my business offers if it has a better offering than that person's business, or whether my business is weaker. And if it's weaker, it means I have something to improve in my business, right? So the reason I smile, darling, is my business offers a 25% profit margin. So, again, it's about networking. If I didn't come here today, I wouldn't know about your business. But there's something that you said, there are things you marketed your business, and I know that you do lipsticks and makeup. I don't do that in my business. My business is health supplements. It's the stuff that you take to keep you healthy on a day-to-day basis. It's your multivitamins for your children, for yourself. It keeps you going. Even when in the middle of COVID, by the way, I had COVID twice because I move around a lot. But each time, because I was always on my supplements, I was fine each time. You know, I did the quarantine thing, but I never got really sick or anything like that. In fact, my husband got really sick, and I was making fun of him that, oh, big baby, I took my vitamins, you didn't take your vitamins. But the thing is, with the business that I do, I already know. I've weighed the pros, I've weighed the cons. You know, there are a lot of network marketing companies out there, right? If you don't know what what a network company is, I'm going to give you an example. You know Avon. You know Tupperware. Those are network marketing companies, right? So that is also the field that I play in. I am competing with international companies. And I am not afraid of those international companies. You know why I'm not afraid of them? Because I am African through and through. For them to operate in Africa, they have to learn the African way. They have to assimilate the African way. They don't just show up in Atteridgeville. They need Africans to go to Atteridgeville and sell. But I am African. I can stroll up in Atteridgeville. I can network to anybody. I can sell my products to anybody. I can make money. Just like that. So never think, when you see what you're doing, when you think of what you're doing, my brother, just remind me what your business is about again? Distribution. When he was talking about distribution, there are lots of distribution companies out there. A lot of them really, really big. But there's something they've been building over the years. And I want to say something to you today. Don't look at them and try to be them tomorrow. You build your business sustainably and you build it over time, and you will definitely get there. But I was also thinking, I could use him in my business, because my business also, it's got a distribution element to it. He can carry my products, he can make a profit, 25% upfront, and when he recruits people, he gets even more commissions. Do you see what I'm doing now? What am I doing? I'm trying to recruit him. I'm selling to him, right? But I'm not looking at him. I'm networking to him without even looking at him. But I'm looking at somebody else. Are you thinking about my business now? Yes, you are. So every opportunity you get is an opportunity to build your business. It's an opportunity to build your brand. Now, I don't want to, this is an entrepreneurship forum, where every single person here either has a business idea or they want to go into business. And yes, it's all well and good that I tell you about my company. You know, I can sell my company, I can wake up and sell my company like this. I can go to bed while selling my company. But I want to leave you with a message today. No matter what anybody tells you, your vision, your plans, and your dreams, they are valid. Okay? That thing you want to do, you need to do it. Don't say, I don't have the money to start it. Don't say, I'm afraid to start it. You need to actually start it. Even if all you've got in your account is 150 Rand, you start a business with 150 Rand. She sells hair products. And I'll tell you, another business I've got, is a grocery store, right? While she was talking about her hair products, I also smiled because it's something I carry in my store. But if I was not here today, I wouldn't know that that's what she does. But I am very confident in what I do. There is no dream that I have had that I have not accomplished because I am not afraid to do it. There's a motto that I have. I say, the worst thing a person can tell me is no. That's the worst thing they can ever tell you, no. But the best thing they can tell you is yes, and then they help you. So whatever your business idea is, go for it, partner with people. Sometimes you have to do something else to make money to do what you want to do. It's okay to do that. I've got people in my business who are doing my business part-time because they want to make money from it so they can grow their own vision, right? There are people who are doing my business because they want to build a house. There are people who are doing my business because they want to buy a car. They want to send their children to schools. There are lawyers who are doing my business as a side gig, and they're making money from it. So check out all of the stands here. Come speak to me, by the way. Go to our stand, because for every single person sitting here, if you don't have the seed money to start your business, I can give you a path to get the seed money to start your business. Because with my business, you buy our products, you sell it to make a 25% profit. What are you going to do with the 25% profit? You're going to save it and invest it in your business, right? So it's okay. If you're looking, sometimes you go to the bank says to you, we cannot give you money because we don't believe in your vision. They don't tell you they don't believe in your vision. They just tell you because your business is not viable. Or they tell you come back when your business is stable. So you need to look for other things that can make you money, which you can use to invest in your business. All right? So I'm waiting for someone to come and tell me my time is up, and nobody's telling me my time is up. I can really keep going. You know, I had a radio interview once, and they told me my time was 5 minutes. At the end of the radio interview, I checked my time. I had spent 12 minutes because the guy did not stop me, so I just kept going. So if you don't stop me, Papa, I will just keep going. 3 minutes more. Okay, so I've got 3 minutes. Let me see, what am I going to do with 3 minutes? Okay, so, you know there's a grant system in South Africa, right? We all know about the grant system in South Africa. And Teho knows my heart shame. I am anti-grant. Grant, the 350 grant. Yes, that one. I don't like it. You know why I don't like it? Because I think it's a method of slavery. You get given 350 every month, and you're comfortable with 350. Meanwhile, that 350, you can use it to start something that will get you out of the 350. But you keep taking the 350 and you sit in your house. That is truly what makes people lazy, and that is what put people in bondage. You know, sometimes in church, people are praying. You know, the pastor says, pray to break every bondage, every hold, and generational curse, and all of that stuff. And you're busy praying for one, and you're praying for an ancestral curse. Meanwhile, there is one that you are hugging in your house every day, and it's the 350. There is a generational curse in your house, and it's that 350. So sometimes you don't need to pray for something out there because the thing is already in your house. If you are a beneficiary of that 350 grant, or you know anybody who collects that 350 grant, here is a message I want you to take, and I want you to give to those people. Give yourself a target that in 6 months you will no longer be on the grant system. Because in 6 months you would have used that money to start something that will make you